Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best oval above ground pool that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Intex 20 feet by 12 feet by 48 inches oval frame pool. The Intex 20 feet by 12 feet by 48 inches oval frame pool is one of the best oval above ground pools out there. Intex is known for its commitment to quality, and this pool is no exception. It is supported by sturdy and durable steel frames that have been coated to resist rust. It takes only about 30 minutes to get it ready for use. More so, you don't have to beat yourself up thinking about how to assemble it as it comes with an instructional DVD that can help. It features a convenient drain plug that can easily be fitted to a hose to help in draining out water. It has a water capacity of 4,393 gallons. Now, that's something. It boasts of a crystal clear cartridge pump that provides clean and refreshing water at all times. Moving on at number 4, we have the Intex Oval Frame Pool Set 18 ft by 10 ft by 42 in. The Intex Oval Frame Pool Set is another great product worth considering. Its 18 feet by 10 feet dimensions are ideal for large families. It comes with rust-proof frames for a more durable experience. You don't have to be a techie to set up the pool as its snap-on joints takes away the need to assemble with tools. On purchase, it comes with its ladder to help in easy entry and exit, a drop cloth, and a pool cover to help you protect your pool when not in use and a drain plug to help you pass out water when you're done swimming. To get started, all you have to do is inflate the pool liner and start filling with water. But make sure you do so on a ground that is well leveled. At number 3, we have the Intex 20-foot Prism Frame Oval Pool Set. Now, this definitely one pool you don't want to pass by. The Intex 20-foot Prism Frame Oval Pool Set combines elegance and durability in one piece. This pool is more than just beauty. It features a powder-coated steel frame to prevent rust. Its filter pump comes with a durable 3-ply material liner hydro-aeration technology for better water circulation, improved filtration, and improved water clarity. It can hold as much as 4,809 gallons of water, that's about 90%. Now, if that isn't much, I don't know what is. It comes with a pool ladder, its ground cloth, and a pool cover. It also boasts of a 110V/120V cartridge filter pump, which pumps at a flow rate of 1,500 gallons per hour. At number 2, we have the Bestway Power Steel 18 by 9 by 4 ft above ground swimming pool set. Bestway pools are undoubted of great quality. The Bestway Power Steel 18 by 9 by 4 foot above ground swimming pool set is yet another example of what durable quality is. It comes with corrosion-resistant metal frames integrated with heavy-duty PVC and 3-ply sidewalls. The pool's sidewalls are a combination of polyester mesh and a double layer of high-gauge PVC. In case you were wondering about the implication of this, it simply implies that the durability of this pool is not one to question. Its ChemConnect dispenser ensures that your water always comes out clean and healthy. It does this by releasing a stable level of chlorine, which helps to maintain a proper chemical balance. Its dimensions are 18 inches by 9 inches by 4 inches, this means it can comfortably contain you and your family without stress. And finally at number 1, we have the Splash Pools Oval Deluxe Pool Package. The Splash Pools Oval Deluxe Pool Package is definitely one pool you want to own. It comes as a complete package with everything needed to get you started, except, of course, water. Its 30 feet by 15 feet by 52 feet dimension is large enough to fit your entire family comfortably. Asides its beautiful wall pattern, this pool features a hot-dipped galvanized G60 wall with a multiple layered protection system, making it ultra-durable. It has a tough 7 inches painted hot-dipped galvanized steel frame construction is coated with zinc hardware so that it lasts longer. It boasts of an A-frame resin ladder to help you get in and out of the pool with ease. Its wide-mouth skimmer helps to filter the water as it flows in. Its multi-port valve, backwashing filtration system, and horsepower pump help to easily filter out sand and debris. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.